Hello, guys, and welcome to the Ask Henry show. Today we have with us Mr. Henry, also known as Durga Jagannath, one of the top performers here at Henry Haven Education. So, this show, Ask Henry, is for you guys to answer the questions which you've been asking us, Mr. Henry. And today, Mr. Durga is going to answer one of it. This one question is so frequent and we'll get to see it so often that we thought Mr. Henry himself of this week should come out and answer the question. So today we'll be diving more into how can I learn content writing. Now, content writing is a complex and also an interesting topic. It is not as easy, it seems, but not as difficult as it seems. So, let's dive into this world and have a conversation with Mr. Henry. So, hi, Mr. Henry, how are you?
Yeah, hi Sam. I'm good. First of all, I'm very thankful to you for giving me this opportunity to speak.
Thank you, thank you. All right, so without wasting any time, let's just move directly forward. First, tell us a bit about yourself so, we can understand what exactly do you do, where you are, and everything.
Sure, Sam. As I told you, this is a great opportunity to speak. Okay, in this show. First of all, good morning to everybody. My name is Durga Jagannath, and I'm from Vishakhapatnam. And currently, I am working as HR BP in a MNC, and which is also located in Vishakhapatnam itself.
All right. So, let's just move forward directly with the content. Okay. We receive so many questions about, when you start writing content writing professionally. All right. So, everybody knows English, who may be watching this video, and they all know what to write, how to write. They have given exams and before. So, first question that I would like to ask, before we start our main question is that how do you really differentiate what content writing with normal writing? Okay, the normal writing like our articles and everything, how we differentiate?
Yeah, so that is what I also have in my mind. That's a question every time I have in my mind before joining Henry Harvin. And that is the reason which made me to join into Henry Harvin Institute to understand
Mhm.
what is the difference between content writing and the normal writing.
Yeah.
Though I'm into HR field, and most of the people know that HR should have a good communication skills in terms of expressing things, okay,
Mhm.
expressing his views and thoughts as well. So in that manner, I just want to understand what is the difference. So now in Henry Harvin, I could able to understand what is the difference between content uh, writing and a normal writing. Content writing has a structure which will attract people, which will attract the audiences, which will make the people to read the content which we write. And in a normal writing, it doesn't seem like that, because if I go through a paper, if something is interesting, then only I can able to read. I mean,
Mhm.
it is completely put it in a manner where it attracts the audience, and it is pretty simple in language. Then only I will read it. Otherwise, I don't. So normal writing, anybody can write it. But whereas content writing, you should follow certain pattern. There is a structure which I've learned in the Henry Harman classes.
Okay, so we that's really great of an insight. As you told about writing, the one of the biggest problem which mostly student comes with is that what should they write about? Okay, how should they get inspired? All right, because everything that we're talking about starts with writing. Okay, and if we don't really know what to write, how to write, we cannot really get started with it. So I would really like you to, shed some light on it.
Right. Yeah. So this again, I'm proud to tell this because this is a question which was in everybody's mind. I mean to say everybody in the batch, whereas everybody asked the same question to the lecturer. I mean the teacher, ma'am, we are a little confused. What need to be right? Uh,
Hmm.
how to write? So what kind of a content that we have to select or choose? So then she very well answered the question, stating that, see, you have to go through so many blogs, so many books. I mean, into different writings, you have to understand what is the niche, and you have to find out your own niche where you are comfortable in writing, so that you can attract people. I'm using this word to attract people or attract the audience because that is the important part in the content writing. So that is the reason I've been stressing on it. But otherwise, as you ask, this is the question everybody will have in their mind, and uh, it's just to find out what is your niche, and then
Mm.
you have to prepare on that. You have to do a lot of research for that. That
Mhm.
will definitely help you.
Okay. So, when we're talking about research, okay, the biggest problem which, let's say I want to be a content writer and I am, starting to do it. All right. Now I know my niche. Okay. Let's say my niche is XYZ. Okay. And I go on the internet, I search each and every article on it. I start reading it. Now, the next question that I face is, some websites are showing different stuff and some websites are showing different stuff. Now this two different perspective, okay, some are representing facts differently, the same facts, twisted, molded, and presenting differently. Some are presenting the same viewpoint very differently. All right. So when you are in your writing journey, when you are an infant, what I would say, in a content writing profession, how do you get the right facts and how do you get the right content for starting your own piece of work?
Yeah, it's a very good question because as a content writer, you have to do a lot of research, which I, as I said it. But people will always get confused with different kind of websites available, the blog, or the data or the facts which you said. But I would recommend in YouTube, there is Neil Patel's channel,
Yeah.
YouTube channel, in which you will find a lot of videos how to write the content, what
Mm,
facts you have to check, or how you have to do the research part. That
mm,
really helps a lot.
mm. Okay. So Durga, when it comes to content writing, we've discussed so many things. Now, what we have always seen is that after you have done the research and you start writing, there are perspectives that you need to take care of. So how do you get into that perspective and start writing?
Yeah, it's a good question indeed. So when we start writing, first of all, let us talk about a blog because I joined in Henry Harvin with an intention to understand what is content writing and how it is helpful to start a blog or write a blog and how it is again helpful to the business. So,
Mm-hmm.
so first of all, when you write something, when you write starting a blog, you should able to understand why the concept. Why means here you will uh, try digging so many things like why I have to write this, what is the importance of it, how do I attract people. So in terms of the keywords, because then only you can able to get so many keywords into that content writing, which is very very. So predominantly what happens is when you pick up the keywords, even when it comes to digital marketing, when we talk about SEO and all stuff, these keywords will help you. Not only just writing a blog, writing a content, the keywords which imbibed in that content will definitely help you a lot. So
Mm-hmm.
you have to think in that way. Why I have to write this? What is the importance of writing this so that I can able to attract more and more people? And also, as I said, a digital marketing way, you have to get so many links as well. So you have to attract the other people who have the websites, who are linked, all this stuff. So that is the reason you should have an important question in mind. Why?
So, because see, I myself have been into, learning these kind of things when I wanted to learn content writing and I was taking classes and I was looking online. I saw these kind of problems, getting people onto your platforms, which you rightfully addressed. Now, when it comes to, the initial levels, what advice would you like to give to them? Like, when they are starting, before they are starting, or maybe if they're just starting, what advice, one piece of advice would you like to give to them?
Yes, so my advice is like they have to read a lot. Definitely, that's the only thing. That's the only thing which you can sharp. That makes you sharp to write the content, and you have to
Mm-hmm.
recheck. You have to rethink, and that only upskill your writing skills, the writing
Mm-hmm.
ability. Okay, so consistent practice of writing will help you a lot. I mean, whatever it is, you take a content, you write it, you practice it, and keep in mind that how the audience feel. That's very very important. Read different books. In fact,
So, what kind of books are we talking about here? Like, are we talking about romantic kind of books like Twilight or Star Wars, or are you mentioning any specific kind?
I think you have to read everything.
Okay,
Maybe
everything.
fictional, non-fictional, or different kinds of books, but you should have a niche. You should have it in your mind. What is my niche? You have to fix that. Otherwise, what happens? You will get confused with the different writing styles.
Mm. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. And if you yourself are a content writer, or maybe just want to ask some questions with Mr. Henry over here, you can write us an email at askhenry@henryharvin.in, and we'll make sure that we get him answered those questions by the next meeting with him. Or if you yourself want to become a content writer and explore this field, you'll find the link to the course down in the description box. And yeah, just as a bonus for the people looking over here, we're also going to share you the top 10 books recommended by Mr. Henry over here, which you can read in order to enhance your intellectual skills for content writing. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.